Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. Welcome. So in today's video, we're going to clean and decorate our hearth room, or some people call it the sitting room. We are going to go ahead and start cleaning. The grandbaby just left and his mom was like, I'll clean up. And I was like, I'll do it because I definitely need to vacuum the sofa as well. And today I'm going to be using my favorite cordless stick vac. It's the Eureka Rapid Stick Pro, and Eureka is sponsoring today's video. Eureka's Rapid Clean Pro cordless stick vac is my favorite because it's easy to use, it's lightweight, there's no cord, and it does the job. I'm using the detachable 2-in-1 upholstery tool to vacuum the sofa. Now I'm swapping out the upholstery tool with the crevice tool to get deep down into the corners of the sofa, that part that's really hard to reach. As you can see, it did a really great job with removing all of that built up dust and particles that was underneath the cushions of the sofa. Now I'm using the detachable wand and crevice tool to vacuum the hard to reach corners of the ceilings. Yes, to remove those cobwebs. That has to be done even for the cleanest homes. And let's not forget about the accumulated dust on our curtains. We have to vacuum those too. And this cordless stick vac is getting the job done. As you can see, I'm vacuuming it all. I'm even getting the little lip of wood right above the window. So we got all of that. And I'm also going to vacuum these two little side chairs using the upholstery tool. Now moving right along to the floor, I'll be using the detachable floor wand along with the motorized floor nozzle. It's movable, flexible, and it also has a built-in light. The light definitely makes it easy for us to see how great of a job this vacuum is doing with sucking up the chips and any dust particles that are left on the floor. Once again, I absolutely love this cordless stick vac from Eureka. Thank you, Eureka, for sponsoring this portion of the video. So I wiped the table down with cleaning solution before, and now I'm just going to use some furniture polish to clean all of the hard surfaces in this area. And I'm going to get dressed, run somewhere with my husband, and then we're going to come back and decorate the space. All right, so I'm back and let's go ahead and start decorating. I'm just going to add these pillows I already had, and they go really well on this particular sofa. The color matches really well and makes it where any pillow in front of it will blend really nice. So we're just going to add these other light gray pillows I already had, and I'm just picking some of the feathers that may have just stuck through the fabric on the pillows, and we're going to top it off with one little small, I believe this is a 16 by 16 pillow to the front. So now let's decorate the coffee table, and I'll be using some pieces I already had. I just pulled them from another space. I'm adding these charcoal decorative boxes to the coffee table, and of course I do have a set of 4 coasters in one of them. I stuck them in this decorative box one day and it happened to fit, and ever since then that has been the new home for our coasters. Now I'm adding this gold metal butterfly to the coffee table along with this green bird, and the bird just happened to be a candle. Now here is the statement piece. It's a really huge starburst. I've had it for quite some time. I usually keep it on the top of my bookshelf and decided to move it in here for now. And I'll tell you, it ended up going back into the living room area on top of my bookshelf. Now I'm going to add this crystal to the top of this metal decorative box, and we're going to move over to the side table. Now over here on this side table is actually a bar. Before my husband and I built our built-in bar, this used to be the place that housed most of our wine glasses and wines and things like that. But now it's a home for my candles. And I must say, I am a little low on candles, so I definitely need to restock. Everything you see on top of this bar cabinet, I already had. I'm just moving it around, giving it a different look. And of course, I'm adding some greenery with a couple of floral stems just to give this vase a different look. Now that we have the floral stems as well as the artificial greenery in place, let's go ahead and add a candle to the side table. And I picked up this cute little pig. It is a candle from Home Goods, and I've actually been burning it, and it's almost empty. And I'll definitely be refilling this vessel with another one of my favorite candle fragrances. Now let's add some pillows to these side chairs. I recently shared these pillows in a recent haul. I picked them up from Home Goods, and you know I had to love them for me to purchase them without them having a zipper. Most of my pillows are going to have a zipper, and I absolutely love these, and they go perfect in the space. So I'm removing the tags and putting them in place. Absolutely love these pillows. Right, you guys, this is the final look of the space. I absolutely love the way this room turned out. Thank you, Eureka, for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love my Rapid Clean Pro, and I'll leave the link in the description, so be sure to check it out. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And feel free to like, share, and comment. It really does help my channel. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.